Okay guys, the rocket stove is still working really good, as you can see. It's getting pretty hot though, and I'm having a problem with the burner. It's getting so hot it's actually melting the steel, or flaking off the steel. And I'll show you right here. You can see that's a piece of steel from the inside of the burner. So if that keeps flaking off, that's not going to last very long. So at some point, very soon, it's going to end up burning through that 4x4 steel that goes up inside. Especially if it keeps running like that hot. I could dial it back a little bit, I guess. I don't have it turned on very much. It's just a drip there right now, you can see. So yeah, so I'm making this one. This is the second one. It's going to have a door in the front. And this time I'm going to put a stainless steel pot. I got this courtesy of my wife's kitchen. Hope she doesn't miss it. It is stainless steel, so it should last a lot longer. Shut up. So that is going to sit, I'm thinking right around there, maybe a little lower. I got to build a little bit of a rack for it to sit in there, and all the flame will go up in there. That's the plan anyway. So yeah, so that's the new, that's the exhaust there. Just welded that on. Yeah, that's the new, going to be the new waste oil stove. Anyway, I'll keep you updated.